Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat banned account. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat banned account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about the application of WeChat. Then you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. After that, we click on the window of storage. Here in this page, you click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because it may cause errors. And after that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on WeChat app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.